What's good, guys? It's Try to Copy My Name. Back at it with another video. And in this video, I just want to thank you guys for the subscriber count that I'm at. I'm currently at 26 subscribers already, and I started this YouTube channel around a month ago. I'm gonna title the video as a 25 subscribers special, or like a thank you for 25 subscribers. And this is really all it's gonna be. I just want to thank you guys for showing support at such an early stage, and thank you guys for, you know, clicking the button of subscribe. You know, it seems like a small number and it seems like a small thing, earning a subscriber, but to me it means a lot, because what that means is you guys watched the videos and you actually enjoyed what you saw, to the point where you're like, you know what, let me subscribe to this guy, that way I can see more of his content. You know, it's not just a one-time viewing experience. And that's my plan, that's my goal, guys. I just want to have a loyal fan base. You know, I have huge plans with this channel, and to be at 25 subscribers already within a month is pretty nice for me. I almost stalled the car right there. But yeah, guys, it's very nice. You know, I'm hoping we can double that, you know, stay at a consistent mark, and, you know, fingers crossed, a month from now I'll be at 50 subscribers and we'll be growing like our own little group, like a nice little fan base. Oh, that's cute. It's like 840 with lights. But yeah, guys, I'm stuck in traffic. Can't really do much. Could give you guys a couple of revs, I guess. That's nice. Probably gonna go hit the freeway if there's not traffic. One thing I do want to say, guys, is if you have absolutely any recommendations, genuinely any recommendations at all as to what I could do with this YouTube channel, or how to increase the quality, or what you guys are looking for in sort of driving content, let me know, because I want to be able to grow this channel, and I want to get it to a point where it's not just 25 subscribers in a month. It's like, oh shit, in a month I get 100, 1,000, 10,000, things like that, man. I really want to grow this into a big channel. I want to build a fan base and build a brand, really, because ultimately driving is my passion, and I'd love for this to be my job, which will be crazy. You know, I'm not trying to speak too soon. I obviously understand that it's gonna take time. I'm expecting, you know, this to take a while. And that's fine, because good things take time. They really do. No amount of nothing that comes fast is good. Literally nothing. So whatever, you know, just to take as like a little life lesson for you guys too, because I don't want this just to be like driving videos. I want you guys to understand the type of person I am. Just a little life lesson is, you know, be patient, guys. As much of a slum you could be in, or in whatever situation you're in right now, you need to look at the end goal and set goals. You know, for this channel, guys, my plan, it's December 17th of 2024, and I'm gonna set the goal of, for 2025, the year of 2025, I want 1,000 subscribers. I think that's a very nice, healthy goal to have, and I think I'll definitely achieve that. You know, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be monetized. I'll actually start making money from these videos too, which is gonna be cool, you know. The more money I make, the more I can record, the more mods I can put on this car, the more you guys can watch. And I guess I'll just use this video as like sort of what I plan on doing with this channel is, I plan on being in this game long term. As long as YouTube's alive, I want to be able to post content, because I am a pretty social butterfly, and I've always wanted to record YouTube videos, whether that was in real life videos of me just talking, giving tips, giving advice, or like gaming videos, whatever it was, you know. I connected two and two. I'm like, oh shit, driving's my passion, how about I just record driving, and I could, you know, add a little bit of my own spice to things. But in terms of goal setting, guys, we want 1,000 subscribers. Imagine like 1,000 of us just huddled up. It'd be fucking cool as fuck. It'd be very fucking cool. And then down the line, you know, hosting car meets, car shows, no takeover crap. I think that's the most disgusting thing you could do, is just go to a takeover and participate. You know, that ruins the rep for normal people like me, where we just like driving, where we like enjoying our cars. But yeah, 1,000 subscribers for 2025. And I just want to get, dude, I don't know. I just want us to be big. That's all it really is. I want to look back at this video and be like, oh, you know, like, this guy was saying something, you know? He wasn't just talking out his ass. And one thing I'm known for is not talking out my ass. And that's because whatever I say, I fucking do it, however long it takes. You know, I used to talk about this car like 3-4 years ago. I used to watch videos of this car, videos of POV driving, and I would tell myself, and I would tell my friends and ex-friends at the time too, I'm gonna do this, you know, I'm gonna be the guy that posts these videos, I'm gonna be the guy with my dream car. Yeah, and here I am to this date at 20 years old with one of my dream cars, living life very presently. So when I say something, it's gonna happen. And the difference between me now and me 4 years ago is I'm setting deadlines. I'm not gonna say I want this car and it takes me 4 years to get it. You know, granted, I do have, like, you go through life, things happen. But for us to hit 1,000 subscribers, the due date is the end of 2025, guys. That's, if I don't hit it, I'm doing something wrong. And I think with the trajectory of this channel, we should be there. Dude, the video we posted 2 weeks ago, it's at like, I think 1,600 views now. And the video I posted, well, last week, we're at, I think, 600 or 700 views now. So traction's definitely coming. Not on this car, because I kind of burned my tires a little bit as I was driving to Northern California and such. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'm sorry I couldn't, you know, you guys can't hear the car as much because it's traffic, but I did just want to hop on the camera and thank you guys for this milestone. And cheers to many more. I doubt this video will get any views because there's no entertainment. But, you know, whoever's watching this, I do genuinely appreciate it. Whether this has like 5 views, 10 views, or 15, 20, however many views this gets, those that are watching, to like, even though I'm not stimulating your brain as much, appreciate it, you know, appreciate you guys and girls. Next video will be fun though, I'll tell you that much. We're probably looking at like a nice little PCH cruise. Maybe get a couple of the friends, get a couple other M3s, have some fun. Maybe a Porsche. I don't know. No, I think we'll just keep it at M3s. I have a friend with he has an M3 CS, so we might hit PCH and I'll just record that. Try to get a nice little sunset drive. like I said probably a dozen times in this video, thank you so much for 25 subscribers. I'm sorry this video is short. I'm sorry it's not as entertaining as it would be if I was to just be, you know, driving like a maniac. But it is traffic time and I just want to get content out, because if you look at the bio of this channel, I do guarantee weekly content. And my goal is, no matter what circumstance or situation I'm in, I want to be able to push out videos for you guys every single Tuesday. And who knows, maybe once I get really good at this, I could post twice a week, 3 times a week. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just enjoy the long run that we're gonna be in. Alright, peace out guys.